Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be comparing ChatGPT-3 and ChatGPT-4 in 12 real-world tasks, so you can determine if upgrading to ChatGPT-4 is necessary, or if ChatGPT-3 is sufficient for your needs. We've tested both versions using the same prompts, which you can find in the video description. To make it easier for you to compare the results, we've converted them into web pages. Before diving into the comparison, let's first show you how to access ChatGPT-4. Let's get started. To access GPT-4, you need to upgrade your ChatGPT account to the Plus version. Here's how. Step 1. Open your ChatGPT dashboard and click on the Upgrade to Plus icon. Step 2. Choose the upgrade plan and enter your payment information. Complete the payment process, and you're now a GPT Plus member. You can now select the GPT version from the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Choose GPT-4 to start using it. Round 1. Create a website. In this round, we'll ask both GPT-3 and GPT-4 to create a website. Step 1. Create a prompt for this task. You can copy my prompt from the video description. Run the command and wait for the process to complete. If the process stops before completion, type continue to resume the task. Step 2. Once the generation process is complete, open Notepad or any code editor app. Copy and paste the HTML code, then save it as an HTML file. To do this, set Save as Type to all files, and add .html to the end of the file name. After that, you can open the HTML file and see the results. Here are the results of Curriculum Vitae websites created by GPT-3 and GPT-4 using the same prompt. The GPT-3 result looks quite simple, while GPT-4's looks better. Round 2. Create HTML5 web app. Let's ask ChatGPT to create a simple calculator web app. We have the results from both GPT-3 and GPT-4, using the same prompt. Which one do you think is better? Round 3. Create romantic poems. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to generate 10 romantic poems. Here are the results from both GPT-3 and GPT-4. Which chatbot do you think is more romantic? Round 4. Create a story. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a chilling horror story set in the Bermuda Triangle. Here are the results. It seems GPT-3 wasn't up for the challenge. Round 5. Create social media caption. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to compose a captivating Instagram caption for a lipstick product. We have the results from both GPT-3 and GPT-4 using the same prompt. Which one do you think is better? Round 6. Create a presentation draft. Let's ask ChatGPT to create a visually appealing presentation for an SEO company. Which one do you think is better? Round 7. Create pickup lines. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to generate 10 witty pickup lines. We have the results from GPT-3 and GPT-4 using the same prompt. Round 8. Create an article. Let's ask ChatGPT to create an SEO-friendly article on mental health. We have the results from GPT-3 and GPT-4. Round 9. Create Tinder profiles. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to create 10 humorous Tinder profiles. Here are the results from both GPT-3 and GPT-4 using the same prompt. Round 10. Create a scheduler. Let's ask ChatGPT to create a daily schedule for a productive YouTube creator. Which one do you think is better? Round 11. Create a travel itinerary. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to create a one-week vacation itinerary in Bali. Here are the results from both GPT. Round 12. Create a video script. Finally, let's ask ChatGPT to create an engaging YouTube script about practicing yoga. We have the results from GPT-3 and GPT-4 with the same prompt. Which one do you think is better? That wraps up our comparison of GPT-3 and GPT-4. We hope this gives you a better understanding of their capabilities. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.